Once again, I'm broken on the first iteration through the loop on the print val call. Again, hovering over the value of I, I'll notice that I currently equals 0. Now, if I'm interested in setting a watch for this variable I can do this in a couple of different ways. One of the easiest ways is to simply hover over the object that you want to set a watch on, right-click, and then choose Add Watch from the menu. When you click Add Watch, you'll notice that in the watch window, in the lower left-hand side, that the watch expression will be added. This will give you the current value that you're watching, which in this case is the variable I, the value of that variable, and the data type. Now, if I were to advance by doing a step into line by line of code, you'll notice that as I advance, I may get errors in the value. That's okay. That simply indicates that at this particular point, this watch expression is out of scope. Not a problem. It will be back in scope as I go further through my code. We'll go ahead and advance through the print val, and once we get into our main method again, you'll notice that the value of I is back in scope one more time. Now, after I do the incrementation, the value of I changes. Inside this little watch window, you'll notice that that value will be in red if it has been recently changed. As I continue to advance, it will turn black again. But anytime it changes, you'll notice the value will pop up in red. That way, we can be alerted as to whenever those values are modified. To delete the watch, if you're finished with it, simply point to that line in the watch window, right-click, and choose Delete Watch from the list. That will remove the watch expression. Now, sometimes you may be interested in providing a watch expression which is a little bit more complex. You can't just simply point and click and choose Add Watch. You can add the watch expression here in the name category. So if I put I there under name and hit the Enter key, it will add that watch expression for me. So I can add those directly within the watch window if I want to. To delete the watch, exactly the same way as we did before.